Unboxing is Night Owl and Early Bird, and it's by Christopher Denise, who lives near me in Providence. He is a illustration professor at RISD, and my oldest graduated from RISD this past June. She was not an illustration major, although when she did pre-college there, she was illustration once, but she didn't have Christopher. But I know this is now looks like a much lauded series of Early Bird and Night Owl, and it's published by Christy Ottaviano Books, which is an imprint of Little Brown and Company. And so we'll just take a look at some of the pages. That's an exciting spread. Well, he really captures how scary it is and how Owl's keeping the castle safe. Yeah, Owl's the night, and then Early Bird, looks like a Tweety bird, is sort of wants to be a knight. So charming. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, isn't it? So kind of an anthropomorphic animal night story. And also it looks like, I mean, Tweety bird feels like a much younger and maybe even female. Oh no, now she's in trouble. Oh, he did such a good job of making this scary. And look at Early Bird looking, or is it Early Bird? Like Early Bird gets the worm? Yeah, Early Bird. Looking a little stunned, I would say. But also, stop. But also up to the task. And so they have this glorious adventure. And it almost feels like it's her imagination, but it looks like no, she actually does this. It looks very sweet. And so I don't know if Night Owl is older than Early Bird, or if they're like contemporaries and they're the same age and they're just friends. But just a very sweet and adventurous story, and I would say gloriously illustrated, which is not surprising for a RISD illustration professor who also has a Caldecott honor. So thank you to the publisher, Christy Ottaviano, Little Brown Books, for sending me this book, and thank you for watching.